Racing just is started. We have Bondi Babe. Very quickly at the start, moving up on the outside, Sibasib. And on the outside is Magdalena. She's inspired. Lucky Song comes next. While Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Sibasib by about 4 lengths. She's inspired is right behind in second. A length further back in third comes Bondi Babe. Lucky Song moving up to take fourth, and on the outside comes Magdalena. While Gusto Ko, Happy Ka is still running at the tail of the field. We have Sibasi by about 2 lengths, and in second is She's Inspired. Lucky Song now trying to get closer in third. Magdalena is down in fourth, then next online is Bondi Babe. While Gusto Ko, Happy Ka is still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have She's Inspired by about 2 lengths, followed now by Magdalena in second. Lucky Song still in third, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have She's Inspired maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Magdalena in second, moving up on the outside is Bondi Babe. Last 100 meters, we have She's Inspired, followed by Bondi Babe. Magdalena in third, and finally She's Inspired. Bondi Babe.